Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Photos while signed into the account that stores your images. This is essential so you see the right library. Once done, tap the app icon or navigate to Photos. Google.com in a browser and wait for thumbnails to load. Make sure your device has internet access, and if you want continuous sync, enable backup and sync in settings so new photos upload automatically. This gets you into the main Photos view, where you can begin locating specific albums or moments. Once inside, use the bottom tabs. Photos shows a timeline of images, library lists albums and folders, and albums groups content by type. To find something fast, use the search bar, type a date, place name, or object like beach or a person. Google's visual recognition narrows results. When you open a photo, swipe left or right to move through contextually grouped shots. Make sure to check the three-dot menu for more actions like download, move to album, or delete. To finish, organize by using select to add images to albums, share links, or remove duplicates. This keeps your library tidy. Make sure to check settings for backup status and which Google account is active so you don't miss photos across accounts. If something's missing, verify you're signed into the correct account, confirm backup and sync completed, and look in hidden and trash folders. If syncing stalls, toggle backup off then on or reconnect to Wi-Fi and retry. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.